Recommended Intel CPU Core i7-12700 PC build under Rs 1,50,000 for gaming and content creation. CPU Intel Core i7-12700 12th Gen desktop PC processor with 25 MB cache and up to 4.9 GHz clock speed. Motherboard MSI Mag Z690 Tomahawk Wi-Fi DDR4 gaming motherboard ATX with memory boost 5200 MHz OC. RAM G-Skill Trident Z RGB 32 GB 2x16 GB DDR4 3600 MHz. Graphics card Gigabyte GeForce RTX 3070 Eagle OC LHR 8 GB GDDR6. SSD Samsung 980 Pro 1 TB up to 7000 MB per second PCIe 4.0 NVMe M.2. Power supply Corsair CSM series CX750M modular power supply 80 plus bronze. Cabinet Cooler Master CMP 520 mesh computer case with 280mm radiator support. CPU Cooler Cooler Master Liquid ML240R addressable RGB CPU liquid cooler dual chamber. Prices mentioned are as on April 2023 and are subject to change. Buying from offline stores is a better option and you would certainly save some money in your PC build. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.